Good morning, children. Today I am going to talk about decline of tanks. In the previous class, you saw what is a tank, what are the uses of tanks. Now we will see why the tanks are declining. In olden days, I told you the kings have dig many tanks to store the rainwater, but at present we are not finding so many tanks. So what happened to these tanks? These tanks had declined because people are not taking care of it. They are throwing all the wastage into the tanks and they are not removing the silt, and different types of trees are growing it, and slowly they are dumping the waste water into these tanks, and some people are occupying the tanks and building the houses in the tanks. So in this way, we are seeing the tanks are declining day by day. Now, as tanks are declining, what is happening? The water source is reducing. So government has realized it, and here we will see what is the role of our Telangana government. It started a mission Kakatiya by the name Manavuru Manacheruvu. So it is spending lot of money to build tanks in every villages. Nearly it is spending money for removing the silt, the tank bunds, for repairing and construction of tanks, and nearly 47,000 tanks were repaired under this scheme. Now, let us see fishing in the tanks. You all know what is the main use of tanks. You told me that fishing. So we will see here fishing. So there are different types of fishings, and people they use different types of nets, and you fishermen they go daily, they catch the fish, they bring it and they sell it in the market. Now we are having different types of fishes. Now if you ask your parents, they will be telling the names. And here some fishes are Rava, Boche, Bangaru, Tiga and Meriga. And to catch the fishes, the fishermen use different types of nets. They use nets called as Sannapuvala, Dodduvala, Visrevala, Kachuvala. Your Sannapuvala, they catch small fishes and prawns. In the net, you can see the ring size, and the ring size will be small for some nets, and the ring size will be big for some nets. So if they are catching a big fish, they use a net which is having big ring and which is heavy. And another is Visrevala and Kachuvala. These two nets they use depending on the depth of the lake. Now, Visrevala is a net where they use where water is very less in the shallow water. Just they stand there and they throw it. The meaning is visresta. And next one is Kachuvala. They go and use it in the deep water. Now here is what is the lifestyle of fishermen. So just they go for fishing twice in a day. They bring the fishes and they sell it in the market. Usually the men go for fishing and the women are selling the fishes in the market at the market. And next one is they use different types of nets to catch the fishes. And daily they have to go for fishing, otherwise it is a livelihood. They are dependent on it. So whether it is hot or cold or anything, they have to go for fishing. And suppose if the fishes are left over, they dry it and they sell the fishes as dry fish. And sometimes they catch the fish and they will be sending it to another places. From Hyderabad also we are getting fishes from other places. Here, now all the fishermen are not very rich. They are very poor. Sometimes they are not having money to buy even a boat or a net. That time what they are doing? So they are forming as a cooperative society. And in the cooperative society, they have to pay some money. so that this cooperative society will give the money to the Department of Fishing and they will get the fish seedlings. Fish seedlings are small, small fishes. So cooperative society will go and get the fishes from the Department of Fisheries, and these fish seedlings they will bring and they will put it in the tank and they will take care of them, and after feeding them daily the fishes will become very big and they will sell these fishes and they will get the money. So they are generally paying 2,35,000 to the fishery department. So all the fishermen they came together, and to solve their problems they formed a society. So with the help of society they are able to buy fishes and they are able to work together, and whatever they are getting by selling the fishes they are distributing among themselves. So, children, now you can remember. Now, I told you the decline of tanks, the government role, the cooperative societies role, the fisherman, and different types of fishes. So, children, do remember it.